Hi students, problem number 6. Two trains for Mumbai leave Delhi at 6 am and 6:45 am and travel at 100 km per hour and 136 km per hour respectively. So first we will understand the problem. The starting station is Delhi and arriving station is Mumbai. Two trains start from Delhi at different timings. So train 1 starts at 6 am and train 2 is starting 45 minutes later than train 1. That is the hint. After 45 minutes it starts. And their speeds are, first train's speed I will take S1, okay, and the second train's speed is S2, okay. So S1, the speed of the first train is given as what? 100 km per hour, 100 km per hour, okay, and the speed of the second train is 136 km per hour. We will write this first. How many kilometers from Delhi? How many kilometers from Delhi will the two trains meet? So first train starts at 6 am and it is going at a speed 100 km, which is less than 136, is it not? So with that speed it will go at some distance. But the second train, though it starts late by 45 minutes, it will overtake the first train after some time. Before overtaking, it will meet the first train at some distance from Delhi. So let the distance from Delhi be x kilometer. So when the first train is at a distance x from Delhi, the second train also will meet the first train at the same distance x. Okay. Now let us take the time taken by the first train. First train is equal to what? The time taken by the first train is t hours. Let us take. Therefore, the time taken by the second train is how many minutes late? 45 minutes late. Less. So it must be what? T minus 3 by 4 hour. So this is t hour and this is t minus 3 by 4 hour. This is to be understood carefully. So the speed of the first train is 100 km per hour and the second train is 136 km per hour. The time taken by the first train to reach the distance x is t hour. Therefore, the second train reaches the same distance x in a time equal to t minus 45 minutes, that is 3 by 4 hour. So now both are traveling the same distance in this time t and t minus 3 by 4. So I will write first speed of the first train is equal to x divided by t1, or x is equal to s1 multiplied by t1. Therefore x is now equal to, speed of the first train is how much? 100. So this is 100 into t hour. So into t. This is our equation 1. Similarly, I will write S2 is equal to distance x divided by time t2, or x is equal to S2 into t2. Substituting S2 and t2. So S2, therefore x must be equal to, S2 is how much? 136. So 136 multiplied by t minus 3 by 4. So this is t minus 3 by 4 and this is equation 2. So left hand sides of equation 1 and 2 are same. So I am going to equate. So equating the right hand sides of equations 1 and 2. 100 into t must be equal to 136 multiplied by t minus 3 by 4. So 100 t must be equal to, open the bracket, first term is 136 into t minus 136 into 3 by 4. Now you divide 136 by 4. 4 3s are 12. So I divide 4 in 13. 4 3s are 12. In 16, 4 4s are 16. So 100 t is equal to 136 t minus 34 into 3. So 34 multiplied by 3 is 102. Now shift this negative to the left hand side and 100 to the right hand side. So 136 t minus 100 t is equal to 102. So the difference between this is 36. So 36 times t is equal to 102. Therefore the time t must be equal to 102 divided by 36. Both the numbers are divisible by 3. So in 10, 3 3s are 9 and 1 and 2 makes 12. 4 3s are 12. So this is 34 divided by 1 2. 12 3s are 36. And this is equal to, once again divide by 2. This is 17 2s are 34. 6 2s are. Therefore t must be equal to 17 by 6 kilometer per hour is given, and t is what? 3/4. 3/4 of the hour is returned. Therefore 17 by 6 hour. So now what is to be found is, how many kilometer from Delhi will the two trains meet? That is at x kilometer from Delhi. So we have to find out what? X. Okay. So x is equal to what? From the first equation, x is equal to speed of the first train into t1. Okay. So this is therefore x is equal to speed of the first train multiplied by t. t1 is equal to t. So this is now equal to, first train's speed is 100. So this is 100 into 17 by 6. So now you divide this 17 by 6 and multiply by 100. So this is 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18. So only 2 6 2s are 12. So remainder is 5. Okay. 5 and 0 makes what? 50. So 8 6 are 48. Remainder is 2. 2 and 0 makes 20. 6 3s are 18. So the 3 will be recurring again and again. So 100 multiplied by 17 by 6 must be equal to 283. It should be actually 2.833 recurring into 100 will make it as 283.33 recurring. Therefore x must be equal to 283.33 kilometer. So this is the distance from Delhi where the two trains will meet. Okay. So which is the option? Option A itself is the right answer. Okay. Therefore option A is the correct answer. This type of problems are very commonly asked in common admission test CAT and other competitive exams like Railway Recruitment Board, TNPSC and all. Okay. I hope you must have understood well. Fine.